So here's your table. Here's the 5 kilogram weight. It's being pulled with a force of 10 newtons, but the table is an opposite force acting on that, so that's negative newtons right here too. So the net force between 2 and 10, negative 2 and 10 would be 8. So 2 and 10 is 8 newtons. Okay, so now we know that that is the force. The force is 8. Okay, so then if we have the F equals ma, force equals mass times acceleration. So this classic Einstein, physics formula, F equals ma. So we have that, and then, but if you can isolate the a variable, acceleration, you can divide both sides by mass and solve for a, in which case we get a equals F over m, or F divided by m. So we're going to plug in for what we know. We know that the force is 8. We know that the mass of the block is, again, 5 kilograms. So we're going to put that here. And what we're trying to find is the acceleration. That's what the goal is. So what we need to do is now divide. We have 8/5 or 8 divided by 5. So what you can do is you could use a calculator, or you could do what I'm about to do right now. If you don't have a calculator, you can just put 8 inside the box, put the 5 out here. 8 divided by 5. How many times does 5 go into 8?
1.
So if we're going to put 1 here, then we're going to multiply. 1 times 5 is 5. Very good. And then we're going to subtract. 8 take away 5 is 3. We need to bring down, but we have nothing to bring down. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to add a decimal 0 if there's nothing left to bring down. So we need to now bring down that 0. And look what we have here. How many times does 5 go into 30 this time? There we go. So the answer is acceleration 1.6 per second per second.